Hi my dear traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today's video is going to be quite interesting because I'm going to be combining technical analysis with the alligator indicator and try and find good situations that I understand quite well and open good trades and hit my goal for today. I'm going to start with an initial deposit of $33 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $7,000 to $8,000, and hopefully I'm able to hit this goal by the end of this video. So stay tuned until the end of the video. I'm going to be opening trades using 15 seconds time frame and opening them from 1 to 2 minutes, and hopefully by the end of this video you can be able to understand my trading strategy and you'll be able to like it and use it in your trades. So also don't forget to support the channel by liking the video, sharing this video to your friends and family, and subscribing down below to my channel. Let me find my first entry point. So here you can see that we have the price moving in an uptrend. At the same time, I can see that it made the resistance and made a reversal and began to move down. In this situation, I'm going to open a 2-minute down trade because as I can see, the green line of the indicator is located at the bottom. That is, the indicator says that the price has a good potential to go down here. At the same time, you can see I still have enough space up to the minimum point on the chart. Also, you can see that recently the price has been moving down more impulsively and mostly with red candlesticks. So it's more likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move downward on the emerging downward movement. In this situation, I'm using a time of 2 minutes with a reserve, taking into account that the price may get into the haggling zone or there'll be a pullback. But let me wait and see the results. This is quite good, friends. You can see the price continues to move according to my scenario and shows a good decline here. Thereby, you can see I got a very good confident plus. Also, you can see the indicator gave me a good entry point, and 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade. Let me find my next working situation. Here you can see the price continues to move downwards and touches the support level. It already goes beyond it. In this situation, I'm going to open a 2-minute down trade because as you can see, the green line of the indicator is still located below the other lines. So here I understand that the price has the potential to go down. Also, as you can see, earlier this level held the price well, but at the moment the price is already breaking through it and going lower, and more likely in the near future the price will continue to move down in a downtrend. So in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price can hit this level once again and then continue its decline. Let me wait for the results. Well, this is pretty awesome. You can see the price has entered the haggling zone, but at the same time you can see my deal closes below the entry point here and I made very good profit. As you can see, it's not always possible to choose the trading time perfectly, but with experience you'll be able to get there. So let me find my next entry point. Here we have a good confident down trade. At the same time, as you can see, the price has previously made pullbacks up and is currently continuing to decline. In this situation, I'm going to open a trade for 2 minutes on the downside because as you can see, the slides are directed downward and the green line is located below the others. At the same time, the main price highs on the chart have become lower. Also, as you can see, after a small pullback up, the price started to move down more impulsively. All this makes me realize that the price has a good downside potential here, and I think that it's likely that in the future the price will continue to move downward in the downtrend. And also in this situation, I use 2 minutes taking into account the possible trades. Let me wait for the results. This is pretty good. You can see the price continues to move down and here I'm making very good profit. In this situation, 2 minutes was quite enough for this, and as you can see, the indicator did not let me down and suggested a good entry point. Let me find my next working situation. Here we have the price moving in an uptrend. At the same time, I can see the price has made a fairly strong pullback down, and at the moment we have a moving average crossing. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes on the upside as the indicator says that the price has a good potential for an up trade here. At the same time, I still have a long distance to the last price maximum. Also, you can see the main price lows on the chart are rising, so it's more likely that the price will continue to move upward in the uptrend in the near future. Also, in this situation, I use 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may enter into the haggling zone or there will be a pullback down. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. This is really great, friends. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario and shows a good growth. So here I got a confident plus, and as you can see, the indicator did not let me down and suggested a good entry point. Also, 2 minutes was perfect for this trade. Meanwhile, you can see my deposit has increased more than 10 times from the initial amount. Let me find more trades. So here you can see the price makes a small pullback down and the impulsive green candlestick appears on the chart, while the green indicator line also goes up. In such a situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes on the upside because the indicator says that the price has a good upside potential here. Also, you can see recently the price has been moving upwards more impulsively and mostly with green candlesticks, and also after a small pullback down, the price is making an impulse upwards. So it's likely that the price will continue to move upwards in the uptrend in the near future. And also in this situation, I'm taking 2 minutes with the reserve. So let me watch this chart and see what happens. This is great, friends. As you can see, the price continues to move upwards, and here I made a very good profit. In this situation, you can see the indicator really gave me a good entry point and also helped me earn very good money. So 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade. Let me find more situations. Here we have a good confident down trade. At the same time, I can see the green moving average is located below the rest, and this is a sell signal. Therefore, I'm going to open a 2 minute down trade as I think that the price will continue to move downward in the near future. At the same time, I can see there is still a distance to the price low from our entry point, and at the same time, I can also see that the price is moving downwards, mostly with red candlesticks, while the pullback upwards are quite small. Also, this makes me realize that the price is likely to continue moving downwards, and in this situation, I'm using 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may enter the haggling zone or there may be a small pullback up, but let me wait and see the results. This is quite good, friends. You can see the price continues to move down, and here I got a very good profit. You can see the indicator in this situation again suggested a very good entry point, and I was able to earn very good profit here. And also I chose the right time for the trade. Let me find more situations. Here you can see the price is making a good pullback up. At the same time, now we have a crossing of the alligator slides and the price is moving downwards. In this situation, I'm going to open a down trade for a minute because the indicator says that the price has a good potential for a downward movement. Also, as you can see, the main price highs on the chart are going down. At the same time, even after a fairly strong price rise, it turns around and moves down. So it's likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move downward. But let me wait and see how this trade closes. This is great, friends. You can see the price continues to move downwards, and here I'm making very good profit. The indicator really gave me a good entry point, and I was able to make very good profit here again. Meanwhile, you can see I already have 2,000 as my deposit, and I'm confidently approaching my trading goal. Let me find more situations to work on. So here you can see the price continues to move downwards. At the same time, you can see that the alligator indicator slides are directed downward and are very far from each other. In this situation, I'm going to open a 2 minute down trade as the indicator tells me the price is more likely to continue moving downward in a downtrend. Also, as you can see, the price is already moving below the last price minimum. At the same time, even after the price attempted to make a reversal, it still continued to move in a downtrend. All this makes me realize that the price has a good downside potential here, and also in this situation, I use 2 minutes taking into account that may be a small pullback up or there may be haggling zone, but let me wait and see the results. This is pretty awesome. You can see the price continues to move downward in a downtrend, and here I made very good profit. In this situation, 2 minutes was quite enough, and this indicator showed me a very good entry point on which I made very good profit. Let me continue. So here we have the price moving in a downtrend, and at the moment it's trading in a sideways trend. As you can see, the price rebounds up from the lower border of the sidewall. In this situation, I'm going to open a 2 minute trade to increase because I can see the crossing of the moving averages earlier and the green line is located on the top. That is how I understand that the price has a potential to rise here. And also I still have a long distance to the upper boundary of the indicator. At the same time, I can see that earlier the price having hit the lower boundary of the sidewall, it showed a good growth right up to the upper boundary. So now I can see such an upward movement. And also here I'm taking 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may get into the retracement zone or there may be a pullback down. Let me wait and see the results of this trade. This this is excellent, friends. You can see the price is moving up and hitting the upper boundary of the side wall, and here I got a confident plus, and as you can see in this situation, the indicator really gave me a good entry point, and 2 minutes was quite enough for this trade. And right now you can see I have already $8,000 as my deposit, so my trading goal for today has been achieved, so I'm going to leave the market. So as you saw, today's trades worked out quite well. Combining technical analysis with the alligator indicator works perfectly, and you see I hit my goal for today. You can be able to do it as well. You need to find such similar situations on the market because most of the situations repeat themselves. Work them out, practice a lot and train hard, and you'll be able to gain very good experience and be able to make very good profit on your own. If you have any questions concerning today's trades, you can ask them down in the comment section, and also don't forget to support the channel by liking the video, sharing this video to your friends and family because I'm sure it will be useful for them, and also subscribing down below to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video that is posted. Until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.